What's up, everybody? So check it out. Today I am here with my brand new, just kidding, it's not brand new. In fact, I was about to sell this Yamaha TW200. Now, here's the deal. I bought this from my brother-in-law for $3,000. Now, if any of you guys want to pay me $3,000 for this bike, I'll probably sell it. Alright, so my GoPro shut off on me. But check this out. I'm not going to sell this bike here for any less than $3,000. Oh crap. What happened to this? Anyways, hey, check this out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this aftermarket headlight setup versus my stock light bulb setup. Now, alright, so check this out. Let's bring this over here. Now, if you can see, let's see if you can see this real quick. Anyways, this here has an aftermarket J&S headlight, right? Now, from what I understand is, it only has this bolt right here. Now, this bracket basically bolts to the back of this headlight. Now, if you want to adjust this headlight, you pretty much have to undo this bolt, and it really just goes back and forth. So I'm pretty much guessing that that will change the angle of your headlight. So hopefully they've got that kind of down to where you can adjust these headlights. Now, I'm not familiar with this aftermarket headlight. I'm going to possibly play around with that. It looks fine to me when I'm driving this bike, but that's obviously the whole point of this video is for the stock bike. So your stock bike, we're basically going to be taking a look at your stock headlight, how to adjust your stock headlight. Now, I already went to the pleasure of taking off this little headlight cover. Now, on your stock headlight, now I swapped the bulbs out, and basically I've got an LED bulb in here. So yeah, check that out. LED bulb, link in the description. But anyways, so I had to adjust this, and I had to put my headlight up. So basically I loosened this a little bit, and I tightened this top one. Now, I had to loosen it to a point where this is still kind of, it's not like 100%, so it kind of moves just a little bit, and that's mainly because of this little rubber washer here. But I've got this screwed most of the way in, and this one loosened up quite a bit. Like I said, I had to raise my headlight up. Now, if you want to adjust it and you want to put your headlight down, now you're probably going to want to screw this one in and loosen this one up top. But whatever you feel you need to do, if you're out riding and you need to adjust your headlights, that's pretty much how you adjust it. You could, if you got a screwdriver, you can adjust it while you're out riding. If not, come back home. Now, I hear some people talk about adjusting your headlights. Usually you want to sit about 25 feet back up against the garage. So say we were up against this garage, we would put a piece of tape 36 inches up. Now, pretend this is your line. Your low beams, you're going to want to set the top of your low beams probably right about here. Now, your brights, on the other hand, say you've got this is what the graph shows on most papers. Say you've got an oval or circle shaped. You're going to want your center line right there, right about 36. Now, here's the deal. That's just what the manuals say. The books, some of the things that talk about adjusting your headlights. I'm a firm believer of go ride your bike down the road, and if you feel your lights are too low, bring them up just a hair. Now, in my opinion, personal opinion, now don't take this to court of law or anything, but I would much rather see everything with my motorcycle, especially at night, versus worrying about blinding somebody, I guess. I've been driving, and trust me, I can tell when a motorcycle's coming at me with the brights. I don't care. They're not as bright as cars. I can still see. It's not blinding me. From somebody who doesn't ride them much at night, but if I did, safety's first for you as a rider. So go out, ride your bike. If you feel that your lights are too low, set them up just a little bit. And like I said, just remember, if you adjust your low beam, your high beam is gonna go up as well. So if you ride and you're mostly riding with your high beams on, set your high beams to where you want them. It's obviously gonna affect your low beams, but go out and ride. And if you still feel that your headlights are dim, you can either buy an aftermarket LED light, or you can buy an LED light bulb that'll fit right in your stock housing. So anyways, that's it. That's the video today. Super simple. Reminder, I will be actually I'm going to be keeping this bike. I had it up for sale. I'm going to be keeping it. I'm actually ordering a Tusk rear rack for this because, as you know, if you haven't seen my video yet, my previous video, I will be giving away a Tusk rear rack. That's right, for Yamaha TW200, a Tusk rear rack. Now, we're going to be giving that away in March. Riding season's kind of winding down. I figure, you know what, let's extend it, give me enough time to get the word out. I'm a small channel, not very many people know about me, and I do other stuff too. I'm not like a lover of T-dubs. I like them, they're fun. But as you can see, I have a KLX, I've got a Pitster, I've got a CR80, I've got a YZ80. I just like a multiple, yeah, I like to have fun. So on the channel, you're gonna see a lot of content. CTSV, truck, new Suburban we just bought. Go check out some of those videos. But I'm out. I'm gonna put this thing back on here. So like I said, if you're having troubles adjusting your headlight, if you have an aftermarket headlight, it doesn't look like there's much adjustment there. There's still a little bit. Loosen that, see if you can move and wiggle that. But on your stock one, remember, super simple. It's all super simple. You just gotta get out and go do it. So anyways, a reminder, just flies in here. There's a reminder here that I'm gonna start reminding people after every single video. But something new I've been doing is I've been trying to smile every single morning. Like, just wake up and just smile. Just smile. Just not recount, but just be grateful for the fact that you woke up. And then just be grateful for life, anything. But just remember, smile when you wake up in the morning. And I'm out of here. Go have a good day.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the